Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me OnePlus 10 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass factory reset protection on this device in the May 2023. So to do it, you need to have the internet connection. So you need to have the Wi-Fi. Of course, you can use mobile network, but as I suggest you to use Wi-Fi network, and we need to have another Android device with the Google account. So here on the another Android device, you need to be logged into the Google account. So great. Firstly, we need to choose the language on the OnePlus device. So just choose the language firstly. Choose the region, click next, user agreement, privacy policy, next, and now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I can't bypass this step. I can't skip this step because to protect your phone, please connect to a Wi-Fi mobile network. So, sorry. I will connect to I'll connect to 5G network. So, you need to enter the password. In my case, it's my password, but you need to enter your password from your Wi-Fi network. Then click next and go back. Great. So, as you can see, we are connected to the Wi-Fi network, and now we are on the Wi-Fi welcome creator. So what we need to do right now? So now we need to click on the information button, then click share button. Choose share via nearby share, click turn on, need help sharing, click on the three dots buttons right top corner of the screen and click share article. Great, and now we need to click messages. So we want to share via messages. Click new message, and here you can write any digits. So for example 455. Now click on this send to 455, and as you can see here we have the Google web address, but we need to remove it and just write with small letters youtube.com. But it will be better if you will write www.youtube.com. And now just click on this SMS send, and here as you can see we have tap to load the preview logo. So tap to load the preview, and in my case as you can see preview is not available. So but just click on the YouTube. Wait a while. Maybe I need to try again. So www.youtube.com. Okay, YouTube has successfully opened, as you can see. So sometimes we need to try to repeat actions several times. So great, we are in the YouTube application right now. So now click on the right corner of the screen, click on your logo account, then click settings, choose about, then Google privacy policy, accept and continue of course, no thanks, do not turn on the sync, Chrome notifications. No thanks, we don't need it right now. And here choose open the search line and enter HardReset, it's our website, .info/bypass. So HardReset.Info/bypass. click enter, scroll down, content, scroll down, find here Google search app and click on it. And as you can see, now we are in that Google search app application on our OnePlus device. So it's great. Now we need to open the clone phone application, but of course our device is blocked. But Google Voice Assistant is working in this mode. I don't know why, but it's true. So just click on the microphone and you need to say clone phone. So open the clone phone. But sometimes we need to speak a few times until the application opens. So just repeat until seeing the application open. So open clone phone. As you can see, clone phone was successfully opened. So click hello, 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 hello all. And now we need to click this is the new device. Of course, click hello. Great if you have another Oppo, Realme or OnePlus device, but unfortunately I have another Android device, so click another Android device, and great. So that's it. Now we need to have the Nokia device. So Nokia device. So another Android device. I have Nokia, but you need to have another Android device. And so I will remove it from my device to show you the whole process. I'll uninstall this application from my Nokia device. Great, open. Maybe I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi network, so sorry. Firstly, I need to connect. Maybe it will be better if I will connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So, connect. Connected, great. Now, just open the Play Store on your another Android device and find here clone phone, but not just the clone phone Oppo or Realme, but OnePlus. OnePlus clone phone is another application. So find it and install. So as you can see, OnePlus clone phone is black and red. So Oppo clone phone is blue and green, maybe, but OnePlus, and if you are installing the OnePlus application, so you will see here the developer of the application, we need to have OnePlus Ltd. Great, so now click open. Open, then click agree and continue. Click settings, we need to give all permissions to this application. Turn all file access, click settings, allow, go back and start migration. Display all the apps, of course, find here clone phone, give access, go back. Sorry, I need to make my screen a little brighter. So turn on usage access, so click settings, permit usage access, go back. While using the app, hello. Clone phone requires the location permissions to scan for Wi-Fi hotspot nearby. So click OK. While using the app, of course, wait a while, and as you can see now, we can scan the QR code. So, but now we need to wait a while. So we need to wait for about 1 minute or maybe several minutes. So now on this step, just wait a while. Then, when you have waited, so we need to scan the QR code on our OnePlus screen. So just scan it, and great. Now we will see connecting screen. And great, the block phone paired to the phones, great. So what we need to use. So for example, I don't want to move all applications. So, for example, I want to start migration, but I don't want to migrate all apps because it will too long process. For example, I want to use maybe just a simple calculator, okay? So, calculator, click OK. So contacts, messages, pictures, videos, we can't change it. It's great. So we need to move only apps and only in my case calculator. So click start migration and great. So migration transfer completed. As you can see, make sure important data on device. Okay, migration report successful 1, failed 0, updated updated 0. So now we need to press the done button to get started. Open the main home screen on the OnePlus device. So click done button. Here choose navigation mode. For example, it can be buttons or gestures mode. For example, then click next. Here you can change the password or unlock method. So we can click skip, for example. So click later. Auto update overnight. So I want to disable this feature, so I don't want to enable this feature. So wait a while. Great. Click done. Oxygen OS. Get started. And great, as you can see, now I have opened the home screen in my device and we have bypassed the Google account verification on the OnePlus 10 Pro device. As you can see, when I will block this device and when I will unlock, device don't ask me about the old password. Here I can log in into Google account I want, so I have no restrictions on this device. But of course, I suggest you to open the settings, then scroll down, find additional settings here. Scroll down again, find here backup and reset phone, erase all data and erase your device because it's safer, okay? But you don't need to do it, but you should. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are trying to do it and you are doing the same I am and you can't bypass the Google verification, so just check our website. Maybe we have a new method for a new security patch. So of course, thank you for watching again and bye. See you.